5 mistakes in content creation that make you look dumb. Whoop! Just a reminder to check out the first link in my bio because I show you the fastest and easiest way to make money online. There are literally thousands taking advantage of this system, and many are earning their first commissions faster than I have ever seen before. Make sure to check it out. Number 1, focusing on you instead of your reader. Creating content for your audience can be like the beginning of a relationship. If you start out talking only about yourself, you probably won't get very far. You need to take the time to learn about the other person. What are they looking for? What are their needs? When you are writing your content, it can be tempting to tell people how great your products and services are right away. Writing about yourself and being overly promotional, people hate that. People are not interested in you until they understand that you have a solution to their problem. When people are searching on the phone or on the web, they're looking for answers. By obsessing over the way your customer thinks, acts, talks, and searches as they move through the buying process, and focusing on addressing their questions, you build credibility and trust. Once you have that, you can tell them more about you. Okay? Moving on. Number 2, not optimizing your content for SEO or search engine optimization. Your great content won't help anyone if it is buried on page 10 of the search engine or on page 10 of the YouTube. While you first need to consider to write for the reader, you definitely want to give some thought to how the search engines will view your content as well. Do you have a search-friendly URL? Think about who will be looking for your content. Use words in your content headers and subheaders that people will search, including your headlines. Number 3, not proofreading your work. This might sound very simple, but you may be thinking that it's a no-brainer, but that doesn't change the fact that this step is often overlooked. Of course, when we proofread our own content, we sometimes see what we meant to say instead of what we actually said, including me. I mess up all the time. One technique to overcome this is to read your content out loud. Spelling and grammatical errors in your content can cost you credibility, so don't skip these steps. Number 4, not including a call to action or CTA. Once someone has read your content, what do you want them to do next? You need to add a call to action to your content to help your reader take the next step. You want your CTA to be appropriate for where your consumer is in their buying journey. Do you want them to download something, schedule something, sign up for a course? Think about what action your consumer needs to take and create a call to action to get them there. And number 5, not spending enough time on the headline. On average, 8 out of 10 people will read a headline, but only 2 out of 10 will read and consume the rest of the content. And that's according to copyblogger.com. When you spend the time to create content, you don't want people to pass it by because of a weak headline. When you get the headline right, you have a much greater chance that a person looking at your content will read further. What you can do for this is test variations of your headlines over time to see which ones get the best click-through rates, which ones get the best views, and keep people on the page longer. In the end, that's what a lot of content wants. They just want you to be on the page longer. Why your content matters though. More than 70% of the buying decisions in the process is made before a person contacts the company or the organization. The content on your platforms on social media can help establish you as a trusted expert in your space. It can shorten your sales cycle by answering the most pressing questions your prospects have before they even reach out to you. Take your content creation seriously. It isn't easy. Good content takes time to research and write, but avoiding these 5 mistakes will help you create better content that is more easily found on all the different platforms and potential customers. So If you want to learn more about social media growth, how to get leads, how to get sales, make sure to check out the link logankramer.com. There's a free affiliate marketing 5-day challenge. There's my 90-page book that literally goes through everything on how to automate your business, and also 20 viral titles that you can use in your content creation to help you get more views and reach those customers. We'll see you guys in the next one.